Today we are tackling one of the simplest yet most impactful modes for your Jeep Wrangler, wheel spacers. How do wheel spacers affect handling for your Jeep? Whether you are running stock wheels or just want a wider stance for off-roading, wheel spacers can transform your Jeep's look and performance, but only if you choose the right ones. Wheel spacers provide a wider stance for off-road stability and avoiding tire rub on aftermarket tires. Spacers are not just for looks. They're critical if you are running larger tires without upgrading to aftermarket wheels, by providing a more even distribution of weight across the wheel assembly. Hubcentric wheel spacers can reduce the stress placed on individual components, such as the wheel bearings and suspension. This can increase the durability of components and reduce the risk of accidents and breakdowns.
The safety of wheel spacers largely depends on their quality, fitting, and installation. So the wheel spacer installation must exactly match the wheel assembly and the ring hub holes. Step 1. Loosen the lug nuts and lift the vehicle. Place jack stands underneath for added safety. Step 2. Clean the wheel hub. Step 3. Place the BONOSS Hubcentric wheel spacers to the hub. BONOSS wheel spacers are crafted from 7075 T6 and 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles.
Good Hubcentric wheel spacers are designed for the racetrack that needs specific local requirements. BONOSS Forged active cooling wheel spacers come with multi-stage Hubcentric rings. This Hubcentric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers perfectly fit the corresponding hub fat.
Step 4. Reinstall the wheel. Put the wheel back onto the hub and secure it with the original lug nuts. Step 5. Tighten the nuts with a torque wrench. Step 6. Lower the vehicle and tighten the lug nuts again.
Choosing the right wheel spacer for your Jeep involves careful consideration of material quality, thickness, compatibility with your vehicle. If you need any help with wheel spacer selections, please leave the comments below.